How's it going there, YouTube? Well, hopefully everyone had a very Merry Christmas up there and a pretty good holiday so far. I got something here I want to show you guys. Kind of got, I guess, like a late Christmas present, but another addition to the shop. Oh, yeah, if you guys can see this, you got a pretty sweet hat from the in-laws there, Oliver Harper. You guys know that's my favorite brand of tractors and whatnot, if you follow me for any length of time. Anyway, I'm going to show you kind of what I got here. I finally picked up a new toolbox. You guys have been following on YouTube for any length of time. I know I've been looking for another box for quite some time and just never really had the space for one this large or the means to do so, but it's finally time to pull the trigger on it. So this is a 52-inch Mastercraft toolbox. It's powder coated black with the black trim, the black badging, the black wheels. It's a pretty sweet box. I'm very happy with it. I think picked up for about $1,000 at the Canadian Tire in Keswick there. So I'm very, very happy with it. I mean, I was going to retire my old red toolbox, or I was going to sell it, but I think I'm going to keep that for like a junk drawer or a spare tool bin or spare parts bin and somewhere to put stuff. So now that we've got the room in the shop and I'll have enough room for my air compressor beside it there, I'm going to put it right in front of the, right beside the black one right there. Got the drawers up here already because I want to start putting some tools in the new box and put some stuff away and try to get moved in and set up here in the shop a little bit, but I'm still dragging stuff up here and haven't really had a chance to put very much stuff away because we're still renovating and moving into the house and getting settled here and waiting for the kid to show up, so which could be any time now. So anyway, well, I've got some time here. Let's do a little toolbox tour. So in the big drawer, got all my sockets. Just picked up this half-inch SAE set for the impact gun. Didn't have those. I've just been using 3/8 chrome, but I only use the SAE stuff for the tractor anyway, or Imperial. I only use that for tractors anyway. I got sockets, core and ratchets, 3/8 ratchets, my oil filter wrenches, and I've also got the old needle style torque wrench and just general stuff, magnet and mirrors and just a torch tip and some torque sticks and torque wrench. Most of my extensions are here. Like, I haven't got everything up here just yet, but kind of been laying stuff out how I want. I'm missing some sockets here I gotta go pick up from storage. I got half-inch metric, 3/8 metric, 1/4-inch metric. Then I've got all my Allens and torques and inverted torques and all that kind of stuff on rails for now. Of course, like I just explained, I got half-inch SAE, 3/8 SAE, 1/4-inch. Like, I got a ton of stuff to put back and find again, but never seems to fail when you move. You're always missing some stuff, but it's always in a box somewhere because I know it was the day when I moved. Looking for a red half-inch socket tray, so if anyone knows of any, they're on like an arm and a leg now. Of course, I bought that one like 15 years ago, but I want to have red for SAE and gray for metric. But, I mean, there's a kit on Amazon for $60 for the set of 6 of them, but I mean, I've already got most of them anyway, and these are brand new from Princess Auto last year anyway, so I don't want to buy the whole set again, but if we have to, we have to. What's $60? That's the first drawer. Over here I got metric wrenches. Picked up these stubby wrench organizers finally. They're on sale at Princess when I was there yesterday, so I figured I'd pick those up. For your stubby guys here, and you got crow's feet and bigger metric stuff and regular metric. I got the Blue Point ratchet wrenches. Then on this side I've got, not quite finished setting up yet, but I got SAE wrenches here and crow's feet. Same kind of setup. Big adjustable there. Now I'll go down this side of the box. Got screwdrivers, and I'm going to try to fit some pry bars in there too. Snap-on file set and miscellaneous screwdrivers. Got lots of screwdrivers too that just kind of one-offs or oddballs, but they're going to go in the spare box. This is going to be air tools. I'm going to relocate this heat gun to part of the other box. Don't want to put it in there for now. This is all air tools. This is all my shop equipment and whatnot. So my bearing pullers in there, tap and die set, thread repair kits, hole saw kit, coolant pressure tester and all that kind of stuff. These are all my pliers and snips. I'm going to reorganize this a little bit better when I get a chance to do it. I just want to get everything kind of in there for now. I swear by these things. If you guys don't have a set of these PWZs, get yourself a set. They're like a channel lock combined with a pipe wrench. If you want something to turn that won't move, these will move it. I've never ever been let down by these. They're a little bit expensive, but they're worth every dime. This will be DeWalt electric tools, and drills and impacts and stuff like that. I got more to come up here. I haven't been unpacking them yet, but story of my life. Haven't quite found something to put in there just yet. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that one. I might put my brake tools or something like that in there. Bigger stuff I'm going to put in that door, but I haven't quite figured it out just yet. Well, that's just kind of a quick tour of what's going on up here for now. If I don't get on YouTube before the New Year's, Happy New Year's, everybody. This might be the last video for the year. I might do another one tomorrow, so who knows what's going to happen up here. But anyway, if you guys like what you see as always, please comment, rate, subscribe, and if I don't see you before next year, Happy New Year. Take care.